Hello and welcome to another Car Boot Crazy video. I bought this laser level a few weeks ago, which I've forgotten I had, but I found it when I was moving stuff around here. And I'm gonna, we're gonna power it up and see if it's all there, etc., and see if it'll actually work. But before that, I've got to show what I constructed this week, which has got to be the nerdiest present you could ever give to your girlfriend, which I'm going to do tomorrow. And it's just a load of LEDs, it's got transistors, a couple of caps and a few resistors, and it's billed as a sweetheart, whatever, flashing LED. And what it does is, to my amazement, because I haven't constructed very much in my days, it actually worked. So there you go. That's what it does. Flashes LEDs. I'm sure if you squint your eyes, it looks a lot better, or you see it in the dark, it looks a lot better. But in the light, you can just about see that, and all you can see is the other components. It doesn't come with any case or anything, so it's a little bit ugly, but it works. So I'm quite pleased that my soldering techniques have improved, and see what she makes of it tomorrow. Anyway, that's enough about that. Put that to one side. The thing is, I bought this this laser level, as I say, from the boot. It's less than £5, and it come with all of this. Got the tripod, got some glasses, which have got red on them. It's probably to make you see it better. It's got a very short manual, which is good because it's a class 2 laser, 1 milliwatt, so no cutting through steel with this, and all about how to align it and its operation and how to set it up. But I've noticed there's a couple of spaces missing, whether they're on the thing or whether they're actually already, whether they're missing, I don't know, and it might be vital. So a couple of knobs missing, but we'll have to see. And this is I've used one of these in the past to put some shelves up. Yes, anyway, here we are back. As I say, I'm going to see if this works by just assembling it, and we've got the tripod here, which looks really, it won't stand all in its legs. They look as though they're all there anyway. Let's put it on. Let's put it over there. Let's put it on my mat here. Non-slip mat. Yeah, that looks good. I'm sure you can tighten it or whatever. Let's put that pole up. Let's. I'm not reading instructions doing this, so because nobody likes reading instructions, especially men. So like me. Let's just right. I see you've got settings on here where you can get it right. Now you've got the levels on here, and you've got the laser on here. Oh, yeah, something's working. So you see red dots. Can we see that? Oh, see, it's out of range with this thing, isn't it? I just noticed. Let's see if we can go back to there. Well, let's see it now. We've got to adjust the camera upwards, so up we go. It's a different camera, by the way. My HD camera, 3 CCDs, a bit more of a lens on it. Not very good indoors, but really good outside, as long as you don't pan and tilt it too fast. But it is an early HD one, so need to get a better one at some stage. Anyway, this appears to be have a LED laser. Anyway, I presume you put this into there, and then you tighten it up. Now, I've had one of these before, as I was saying, and they used to spin round, but it wasn't like this. You wouldn't want this to spin around, would you? Knock somebody out. And it made by doing it really fast, it made a continuous line. So let's see if we can get it actually level. I'm not actually going to be doing anything with it. I'm not actually going to be worried about it being too level, because I'm actually going to do anything as such. Can we see the LED on the laser on the shed thing there? No, not in this light. You can't. You need light for the camera, but then you need it to be dark for showing up lasers. Right. Okay. Now where has it gone? We've got the instructions here. So what do we do now, I wonder? Wavelength 650 nanometers, accurate to 0.5 of a millimeter. 400mm level milled measuring face. Heavy duty carry case, yeah, that's for sure. Strong bolt, no tolerance connection with base plates. High precision. For improved visibility of the beam, use the goggles provided. Well, I've always wanted to wear a pair of red goggles, not, but God, everything is all red. Anyway, oh, it does improve the visibility. You can really see it now. I wonder if we, just as an experiment, if we put a red filter over the camera, what we get, if we can see the laser now. Let's have a look. I think it's a bit weird, isn't it? Well, again, I'll have to see later. Don't know much about optics. So it seems to work this, but to achieve a horizontal line, there's to use the prism provided. Prism. What prism? Is there a prism? I can't see a prism in the box, so maybe that's what's missing. What are these things? And these are just connectors, aren't they? They're just... These things are just like knobs to turn. I would imagine. I'm not showing it in my own eyes, even if it's only half a milliwatt or whatever. But I don't know where this prism is that you must go through to create like a straight line, so you can, you know, then beat your shelf up or whatever you want against it, and so on. And that, I think, is what is missing. What a shame. I'll have to sort of look it up on the net and see if you can buy them separately, unless it is built into this somewhere. I just missed it. Let's look at the instructions a bit more. Use the beam goggles for long distance range. Use the target plate provided. There's no target plate either, as far as I can see. And there's vertical alignment as well, horizontal position. I think this is a what comes with it type of thing. Tiling, shelving, fencing, vertical and horizontal construction inside and out. Contents: split prism. Well, it doesn't show a picture of it, but it's what it says it needs. Hydrogen heavy duty vials, let's presume that's that. Strong bolt, no tolerance connection here with base plate. Telescopic tripod, yeah. AAA batteries, yeah. Laser goggles, yeah. Just missing the high precision heavy duty vials, and I don't know what the target plate is. But anyway, I think we're going to have to do maybe more of this when I get the prism. What's all this? Does that move? Or does that move? I don't know. Anyway, this could be of use, but I will need the prism, I think. I don't know. How does it work? So I suppose you get it level on the bubbles. Obviously that's not level at all, look how loose that is, it's not screwed on properly. And then once they're level, you use the prism, and then you'll get a straight line. And then you put up whatever you want to do, your tiling, your shelving, whatever. Bit big though, isn't it? I mean, just too much easier just to use a level bit as a normal level without the laser. Depending on what you're doing, of course. Anyway, that's it for now, and have a look at that. And as I say, it's incomplete, which is unfortunate, but that's what you get at car boots sometimes if you don't know exactly what you're buying. And you can't always, you know, when I've got kids and that, you can't hang around at stores too long. So that's what I've ended up with, but I'm sure we could make use of this another way if we don't use it as a laser. And that tripod looks pretty good. I'm sure we could attach something else to that. Anyway, that's that for now. Bye!